Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Can We Fix It? And today we are going to try to fix our Honda key. This key does not respond at all to any buttons. Probably a dead battery, but we're going to take it apart and see, maybe clean it up, see if we can make it work. Let's get to it. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Can We Fix It? What I have here is my 2005 Honda key clicker lock unlock. It stopped working. I love this truck. It's got a lot of miles on it, almost 200,000 miles. It just keeps driving and driving, but I have to use the key to unlock and lock the car, which is a little bit frustrating. So I'm going to take this apart, see if I can get this working. If you can't see, that's a Phillips head screwdriver, or a Phillips head screw right there. So I've got this small set of screwdrivers. I'll put a link to these down below, where you can pick these up off of Amazon. I'm just going to open this up, loosen this screw, give it a cleaning, maybe change the battery. See, I did change the battery in this not too long ago. It's probably been a year, which you would think they would last longer than that, but maybe it's just, hopefully it's something like a dead battery. But so let's get that screw out, set it to the side. Let me pry this open. Oh, that is a little bit of a mess. Now it says I need a 1616 battery. If you can see this piece right here, that's just a little plastic clasp. You just get your finger under it, you pull that up, and there is your battery. Let me see if I can find another battery, because it's really not too bad in where the battery is. Let me see if we can find another battery and we'll test it out. Okay guys, I found my stash of batteries, and in there I have a CR1616, which is what this key takes. So first I'm going to pop out the old one, and it says right there the plus side goes down, and this flat side is the plus side. So I'm going to put that one in, and then I'm going to put this back together. And it just has these plastic clips on the end that you just snap it back in place. And then we'll set it back in the key. Now this one has a little lip right here. You're going to want to put that face down in there first to get it to lay all flat across the sides, and then we'll put our screw back in. And I could not get any response from the car using this, so let's go out and see what we got. Alright, let's see. Hey, works. Hey guys, thanks for watching. This was an easy fix, just a battery. I'm surprised the battery only lasted maybe a year, the last one, but we'll see how long this one lasts. Easy fix, CR1616 if you guys need to do this yourself. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.